Hey guys, so I just want to take you guys with me as we work on cleaning my apartment, honestly. So when it flooded, everything was changed. This is like my new toilet, all that flooring, all these floorboards, these are all new. They had to put all my clothes and stuff inside the tub because they were like on the floor. But now there's like a company here, so they're like taking all my clothes and all my shoes and they're like bagging it up, and then they're gonna put it in this like in these little bins, and they take all the shoes and then they like clean it with, they have like a whole facility and stuff where they clean it. And then there's another company that's coming to go through all of the furniture. So I know I said I wanted to do an apartment tour, so I mean you guys kind of get it now. I just have it's just a 1-bedroom apartment. It's very small, but I guess I wanted to show you guys before I move out of this apartment, because like I feel like some of you guys have actually been here. Like I'm pretty free with like letting, I just try to, I've shown you guys my rooftop, but now you guys kind of get to see my, like this is one of my favorite parts, this bookshelf, but unfortunately I think it's gonna have to get tossed because it got water damage. And yeah, so it's very short. Like, you basically get to see nothing but my apartment. So that's it.